Summer Owens, author of Life After Birth, a memoir of survival and success as a teenage mother.
Please welcome to 700 Club Interactive, the author of Life After Birth, Summer Owens. Summer, quite a story.
I made the choice that I was not going to give up on myself and I wasn't going to give up on my life. Everything became a lot harder because of a choice that I made initially, right? But I also made the choice to go on with my life. So you have to learn how to say, so what, to the things that don't matter. So now what? If you want to change it, change it. It's all based on the serenity prayer. If you can't fix it, accept it. If you can fix it, do what? Fix it. Change it. And move on. Success is a choice. It's not an accident. It's a choice. You make the decisions that determine if you're successful in this life or not. We're talking about the power of your what? Choices. There are going to be times when you just want to pull out all your hair. There are going to be times when you rather want to run away. There are going to be a lot of hard times no matter what you do. But one thing I want to encourage you to do is never give up.
You did the opposite of what the average person does. Focuses on the negative or the issue or the situation and not look at the possibilities of what's ahead. And I see you doing that. You're teaching people, okay, here's some information, here's the real facts, but let's focus on what's ahead. Let's focus on the possibilities of what you can become. So you went to school, and while raising a son, while working full time, what are you, like Superwoman?